What's up, YouTube? So your girl's back with a side part. A side part. I said with a side part. Okay? I done already flattened the wig for y'all. Y'all done seen me do that 100 times. So let's not be repetitive. Let's just get into it. Okay? So make sure y'all pay attention. And let's get it. Child, I be having I got me a little video editor in Pakistan, baby. He's everything. Love him. When they say outsource, y'all know when T-Mobile, when you call T-Mobile, when you answer the phone and it's somebody from another country, now I understand why. I understand why. He edits my videos within 24 hours. When I tell you we have a thing going on right now, I'm posting 3 times a week on YouTube. Full-blown YouTube tutorials. 3 times a week is crazy. But the job gets done. The job gets done. All because of him. He's so reliable and he's so fast. Crazy. He also edits my TikTok videos. Child. So we outside, honey. Y'all are first learning how to cut layers, please take your time. Please take your time. Like, damn. Come on now. Don't be going fast. Don't be trying to cut straight off. Like, take your time. Study layers on YouTube. Buy tutorials. Do all of that stuff. Like, because layers is something that is very risky. But, I mean, you got to learn. So of course you're gonna have to start off some way, but be mindful. That's all I'm gonna say. Now we're gonna get to curling, so we're gonna use these to section our hair. Okay guys, so now we're in the front. And a tip that I want to tell you guys about the front is when you're curling the front, sometimes these short pieces will pop out of the barrel. So you have to be very mindful that that barrel is very high up. So for example, here, as I'm curling this right here, you're gonna, oh well, I guess it's not on this one because all the hairs are pretty short. But sometimes when the hairs are short, because they're cut into layers and you have long hair and short hair, they're gonna pop out of the barrel. So a way to keep them from popping out of the barrel, wherever the shortest layer is, that's where you keep the barrel and just roll the hair around that. Don't be trying to bring the barrel all the way down here and you have short layers up here and they're not getting in the barrel. Wherever that the shortest layer is, that's how high you keep the barrel, and you roll the rest of the hair in there. That will allow your short layers to still get curled without getting missed because they're popping out of the barrel. Now this particular curl, all the hair seems to be the same length. So let's see if the next one, if not, I know this side will definitely have that issue for sure. Yeah, this one will have the issue. You see how we have short layers up here? You see we got short layers up here, right? And then the rest of the long hair is down here. So what's gonna happen is when I try to roll, these shorter hairs are gonna pop out the barrel. I'm gonna show y'all how to keep it from happening, because it's very frustrating. So what you'll do is hold that barrel all the way up here because this is where the shortest layer is. And you just let the rest of the hair, and you gotta take your time, hold the tip of this hair, like have control of it so nothing pops out. But you see how high I have the barrel? I never brought it all the way down. That's how you keep those layered pieces from poking out and they still get curled evenly. So we're all done curling. This is the content part, guys. Gotta finish out strong. Damn. Ooh, look at the inside of that lace. Just looks so good. You can always tell if your part is straight if you take that off and look on the inside. Make sure when you take them out the clips that they're going to the right direction still. Like these curls need to go on that side. So make sure you unravel them on that side. Alright y'all, so here's the finished product. It looks so good. Look at that. It looks so good, y'all. The girls are gonna love this one. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Cause baby, this wig eats the girls up. Okay? And comment below and let me know what else y'all wanna learn. Cause y'all know I'm an open book, okay? And if you want a more detailed tutorial where I'm talking the whole entire time, make sure you go order my wig styling tutorial. Toodles.